Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've opened the file and duplicated the layer. Good. Now select the text roughly with the lasso or pen tool, then apply a small feather around 1.5 pixels so edges blend. Choose a removal method, content-aware fill for textured backgrounds, or clone stamp when structure matters. Make sure to work on the duplicate layer so you can compare results. Once chosen, run a quick test patch in a small area to confirm sampling and blending before you commit to a full removal. Once you see the first pass, refine edges with the clone stamp and healing brush. You'll switch to clone stamp when the fill breaks patterns, sample from multiple nearby areas, and keep hardness low so transitions are soft. Use spot healing for small remnants and the healing brush for matched texture where you manually sample. Vary brush size and opacity, lower opacity for gradual blending. Make sure to toggle between tools as needed, because blending and structure fixes require different approaches to look natural. Finish by matching color and texture. Use frequency separation when color shifts or texture mismatch are visible, because it separates detail from tone. Apply subtle dodging and burning or a gentle curves adjustment on a separate layer to harmonize lighting. Then zoom out and check at 100% to catch tiny artifacts. Use clone stamp and healing brush for those final pixels. If something looks wrong, undo, lower feathering, resample from different areas, or redo content-aware on smaller selections to avoid repeating mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.